It isn't?
Oh! Jesus!
Oh, yeah. Let's see this guy. What is he? He's huge! Dad, it's a...
No, I saw him!
Dad, it's a brown.
It's a brown?
It's a brown, dude. Dad, it's a brown. It's like red with spots. No, Dad.
Holy shit, dude.
Just play him. Just don't let him get in the current. Oh man, he's huge. That's it's gotta be Dad. Dad, it has spots. Holy crap, Dad.
As soon as he gets into that shell, as soon as he sees the shallow, he wants to go.
Yeah, those fat browns. Pig.
You're right, it's a brown trout.
Dad, it is a brown trout. I told you. Just keep reeling. He's tired. Oh, look at that. That is a big fish. That is a big fish. That is a big, big fish. Oh, man. Look at that sucker. That's huge. Oh, man. Look at that trout. That is a big trout. Oh, he's got the hook. Alright, I'm definitely... Alright, go. There goes it. Release my trout. Pig.
Are you there yet, buddy? You ready? There we go.
Oh, yes!